Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your orange light on a Verizon router. So here's a guide for your internet down, ONT and cables. Fix 1. Check for a Verizon service outage. Before troubleshooting your router, check whether there's a Verizon outage in your area using the My Verizon app or Verizon service status page. Fix 2. Restart the router. Unplug the router's power cable, wait for 30 to 60 seconds and plug it back in. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for the router to fully restart. Fix 3. Check the cables. Make sure the power cable is securely connected. Verify the Ethernet cable between the router and the ONT that the optical network terminal is firmly plugged in. Inspect the cables for damage and replace them if necessary. Fix 4. Restart the ONT. Unplug the ONT from power if accessible. Wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. After the ONT finishes, you need to restart the router. Fix 5. Verify the ONT status light. A normal power light should be solid. A fail alarm or red light may indicate a problem with the fiber connection that requires Verizon's assistance. Fix 6. Check the router's connection. Make sure the Verizon router is connected correctly. Temporarily disconnect third-party networking devices to see if the issue is resolved. Fix 7. Factory reset the router. Keep the router powered on. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds using a paper clip. Release the button and wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the router to restart. Fix 8. Update the router's firmware. Once the internet connection is restored, you need to check for firmware updates through the router's admin page or the My Verizon app if supported. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.